This is our brass plug-in pendant cord set. Our brass plug-in pendants come with a classic 2-prong plug, and each socket has a keyed switch, allowing easy on and off capability. Our brass plug-in pendants come with a standard medium base socket, so it'll fit any bulb that you may have, and if you need a bulb, you can check out our LED and incandescent line. Our brass plug-in pendant looks fantastic on its own, but it is equipped with 2 shade-ready rings in case you feel like pairing it with a shade or one of our geo cages. Each brass plug-in pendant comes UL listed and certified for the United States and Canada. Our brass plug-in pendant comes with assembly instructions as well as basic swag hooks. We do offer upgrades for swag hooks, which you can find under the accessories tab. You can utilize the brass plug-in pendant in pretty much any space. You can swag it, sconce it, or get creative. Try pairing it with one of our cages and using it as a table lamp. Each brass plug-in pendant comes with high quality fabric covering, and you've got 15 feet of cord to work with. And in true color cord fashion, our brass plug-in pendants are available in 6 different colors.